Your check engine light is flashing, the car won't go over 2,000 RPM, and you've got a P1326 code. That code might be your ticket to a new engine, for free, but only if you follow the exact steps. This isn't a random fault. It's a specific signal from the knock sensor detection system, or KSDS. This software was added to certain 2011 to 2019 Hyundai and Kia 2.0 and 2.4-liter engines. To listen for the vibrations of failing rod bearings, a known issue. The limp mode is intentional. It's there to protect the engine from destroying itself. This code is the first step to qualifying for a free replacement under a lifetime warranty. To qualify, you have to follow a specific process. Leave the code active. Don't clear it. The dealer must see it to begin. But understand the code alone isn't a guarantee. They're required to perform a physical bearing clearance test, according to Technical Service Bulletin 20.1025H. If your engine passes that mechanical test, you won't get a replacement. The most critical step is to check your vehicle's VIN history. This warranty extension is only valid if your car already has the KSDS software update from Campaign 953 or 966. If that update was missed, you are not eligible. Miss any of these steps, and the cost of a new engine falls on you. Check your VN for that campaign history now,